So here's a video related to Adobe Photoshop. I'm starting version 2020, and every time the program starts it will show a list of images, recent files. So those images will be shown here. Let's see how to get rid of these images. Okay, so let's go here to Edit, Preferences and File Handling. Edit Preferences and File Handling, and recent file list contains, let's say, 0 files. So modify that number, close it with OK, and as you can see the list is empty. Although here it open recent, it's not showing anything. If you put that number back, then it will show those recently used files once again. So let's just start the program once again. So currently the number was reduced to 0 from 20 there at file handling, and now it's loading, but it will not show any photos. Voila! So that's how to get rid of that list. If you put it back, then here at file, open, recent, it will show up once again. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.